Hello everybody, welcome back to the works. We have a green cutting mat, but we also have ALW's first laser cut kit. This is a 5-bottle Tru-Color Paint Rack. As you can see, it's a fairly simple thing, but it's very handy to have on the desk. Of course, I already have one and I like it. I really like it. Tru-Color is kind of unique. Their bottles are unique, and they have the descriptions of the paint, the names of the paints on the tops of the lids, of the bottle caps. So if you put them on a paint rack designed for paint, you know, where you can see the name on the side of it, and then you can't see what you have here. So this is very handy to have on your desk if you're working on a certain design or something that has 4 colors or 5 colors, and you can kind of see what you have right there. You can just, you know, take them out or glance at them. So let's just get right into the construction of it before I start rambling on about nothing. I'm going to do this without glue, just, you know, to get it together. So, but I definitely do recommend CA glue to put this thing together. Watch it just explode. You're gonna put on this little bottom rib thing, and there we go. But we have these 2 extra little ribs, and those go in right here to kind of act as legs and hold this thing up. So there you go. Simple little paint rack for Tru-Color paint. You can put paint in there, you can kind of see what you got. And of course, eventually I'm going to make little extra stands that allow multiple to stack on top, so that will be really cool. I don't have an actual spot on the website for stuff like this. I have shell kits, detail parts, I think shirts, but I don't have anything like for parts like this that aren't locomotive shell kits or detail parts. But I do have a category for paint, and that's where this guy is going to go. So if you want to take a look at this, go to apogeelocalworks.com, click on the shop list, and find electronics and paint, and that's where this guy will be. So yeah, this is just paints for paint. So yeah, if you like this little guy, take a look at Apogee Locomotive Works. Be sure to check out other stuff we have on there, like our detail parts, our shell kits, our side frames, all that fun stuff, and our really cool ALW shirts that I wear every single train show. Thanks for watching this quick little product demonstration, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.